Hello guys, welcome back to Chef ANBU Cooking channel. Today I will introduce our head barista, Mr. Del. He will show you how to prepare for the blackberry fusion smoothie. It's very simple way. Let's see how to prepare.
Hello guys, today I will show you how to make a blackberry fusion smoothie. This is one of my favorite smoothie. Now let's begin. To start with, I put honey about 20 grams. Honey is very good for using our alternative sweet. Then I measure the gram of blackberry, about 3 pieces. Blackberry is a little bit expensive from the market. Then I use around 60 grams of yogurt, plain yogurt. Then I put the almond milk. Because my smoothie is very healthy, there's no much calories on it, except the honey. It's mixed, it's not pure honey, but it's good, still healthy. I use almond, blackberry, and yogurt, plain yogurt. You can use alternative yogurt also if you like Greek yogurt. Now I'm pouring it into my glass. On the other side, I am making another. It's a mango puree, again with 30 grams of yogurt and almond milk. So I call it the fusion with mango. Then I slightly pour on the glass. And finally, I put a garnishing. It's a blueberry puree to make our smoothie beautiful and delicious. Now I'm pouring it to the glass. And finally, our garnish, 1 piece of blackberry and lime. Now our blackberry fusion smoothie are ready. I hope you like my video and my channel. Please support Chef ANBU Cooking channel. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe and comment. Thank you so much. Enjoy your blackberry fusion smoothie.